Earlier on in the show, the organizer of the Soul Beach Music Festival says digital marketing has helped immensely to promote the event. If you want to know how to capitalize the internet to profit your business or company, there is an E-Aruba seminar you should attend this weekend. Mark Benson is the organizer of E-Aruba. The event will center around social media, entrepreneurship, and digital marketing.
Well, nowadays we have about 40,000 people on Aruba have a active Facebook account. We're constantly online and we're using it a lot. But a lot of times people who are doing marketing their products or their services, their company, they don't know the correct strategy to use the social media outlets, and when to use Facebook, when to use Instagram, what's the tone.
There will be one speaker for each category of social media, entrepreneurship, and digital marketing. One of the speakers started out young in the world of the internet and garnered success very quickly.
And we have Andres Barreto, who is a well-respected young entrepreneur, only 25 years old. He started when he was 18. He has 4 companies now in New York and Florida and Latin America. And he's going to talk about his success story to inspire everyone that would like to start a business in the future. As he is very big now, he has the same investors as Facebook and Twitter in some of his companies. So it will be a great addition to the knowledge of everyone in Aruba.
Mark says even if your business is thriving, the internet can really help make it soar. Having a successful online presence can make you or break you.
As we know, there are so many people on social media, there are so many people on the internet, so your reach is very large, very global, and with a little bit of input, just by investing time, you can reach a lot of people and grow your business. Even if you have a current successful business, social media is also very good to use to get in contact with your clients, to hear their feedback, to communicate with them, to build a better relationship with your current clients. And also for the entrepreneurship, I think many people wish that they could start a business, but sometimes they're not sure of themselves, they have doubts.
The E-Aruba seminar is scheduled for Saturday, April 5th, starting 9 a.m. Tickets are 75 florins each. To purchase one, go to www.e-aruba.com.